Hello YouTube! It's Joe Carly! Me! The eye person.
Joe, keep the phone away from the bucket.
I'm at a barbecue. This is Shane. I'm the strongest fella in the world. Oh yeah, just let you know, this is my coat. I got there already. So I'm really strong. We're at. I just made a video an hour ago. So it's obviously night now. So did I mention that we're at my uncle's barbecue? Well, yes we are. And here are the guests. Don't put that up on YouTube. Joe, take a picture of the blondie.
Yeah. You better stay in, guys. It's getting very wet, Joe. Come on.
And
you're going to be sick.
Here we have the blondie.
You're going to be sick for school. Come on.
So bye YouTube. I know this was a bit of a short video, but I guess we can't make much more.